Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more e-commerce tips and reviews. Importify, a comprehensive dropshipping tool review. In this video, we delve into our experience using Importify, a powerful tool designed for dropshippers. For links to Importify and related resources, check the description below. Importify is a versatile platform that simplifies product importing and automates order fulfillment for entrepreneurs utilizing platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and others. Its adaptable nature and extensive supplier network make it a prime choice for dropshippers aiming to efficiently source products from various marketplaces. A standout feature of Importify is its seamless supplier integration. The platform allows you to import products from a diverse range of sources, including giants like AliExpress, Amazon, Etsy, Walmart, and beyond. This broad access to suppliers empowers you to discover unique, trending, and high-profit margin products across a spectrum of niches, providing a competitive advantage. The Importify browser extension streamlines product importing into a simple one-click process, significantly saving valuable time and effort. Moreover, Importify excels in automated order fulfillment. When a customer places an order on your store, the platform simplifies the purchasing process by pre-filling order details with your chosen supplier. This automation minimizes manual errors and streamlines operations, making it particularly beneficial for dropshippers handling a high volume of daily orders. Importify also offers robust customization options for product listings. The tool enables you to modify product titles, descriptions, and images before importing them to your store. This flexibility is essential for effective branding and maintaining a professional and consistent store appearance. For those prioritizing SEO and product differentiation, Importify's editing capabilities are indispensable. The platform seamlessly integrates with Shopify and WooCommerce, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience for store owners. Its intuitive dashboard is easy to navigate, even for beginners venturing into the world of dropshipping. However, it's worth noting that premium features like multi-supplier support and advanced automation require a paid subscription, which might be a factor for entrepreneurs just starting out. While Importify offers a wealth of features, it's important to acknowledge that it doesn't provide inventory synchronization with every supplier. Therefore, manual stock level monitoring might be necessary for certain sources. Nevertheless, the advantages offered by Importify significantly outweigh this minor drawback. In conclusion, Importify proves to be an exceptional tool for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking to expedite product importing and automate order fulfillment across multiple suppliers. Its user-friendly interface, extensive supplier network, and robust customization features make it a valuable asset for building a scalable e-commerce business. Explore the links in the description to learn more about Importify and determine if it aligns with your dropshipping objectives. We hope this review helps you decide if Importify is the right platform for your business needs.